Hey everyone, this is Chris over here in beautiful Fairfax, Virginia. I'm at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your vacuum needs. I know you guys see a lot of videos of us making different things and answering questions. Today I wanted to make a really quick video. We get a lot of customers calling in about central vac systems. Yes, we do repair work and warranty work for all central vac systems here in Northern Virginia, Maryland, as well as DC. But a lot of things that people don't commonly know is that these central vac systems should be serviced often. Just like any other appliance in your home or any other machine, like your vehicle, your HVAC systems and things like that, they all get serviced regularly, annually, and it's the same thing with your central vac system. You use that maybe once or twice a week, maybe more, maybe less. But we do highly recommend that these units get serviced. You know, there gets a lot of dust in there, debris that wears down all the parts, things to get dried out, things need to be lubricated, the filters need to be replaced. It's just a good preventative maintenance to help keep that central vacuum system running longer, better, and performing at its best. And that's what we do here at AceVacuums. So if you have a central vacuum, no matter the brand, no matter the age, and you've never had it serviced, please give us a call. It is very recommended to have that done because these repairs can be costly and save you hundreds of dollars by doing a simple service now than letting us do the preventive maintenance, so that therefore in the long run you don't have to come out of pocket with hundreds of dollars on replacing and putting in new parts. We do service, again, like I said, all the Northern Virginia areas, so Loudoun County, Fairfax County, and the surrounding cities. We do go up north into Maryland as well as closer into DC and things like that. So it doesn't matter if you have a Newtone, a Dirt Devil, a Riccar, MD Central, Electrolux, whatever the brand is, we do recommend those get serviced. Now, depending on the use, we say annually, every 12 months, but if you're not using the vacuum as often as like once a week or every couple times a week, then you could probably get away with doing it like every 16 months to 18 months. But it is a good service. We do come out, we check everything on the unit, as well as all the valves, the inlets, the covers, everything, and make sure everything's working properly, everything's hooked up properly, there's no issues, and then we begin to do our service process. If you guys have any questions, you can always give us a call at 703-997-9292. Extension 1 brings you here to me in Fairfax, and I can answer any questions that you have about what type of central vac system you have, what we offer with the servicing and the pricing and things like that. All right. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope that you guys like this video, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day, guys.